Jeev Foshti, how are y'all around Gavin shot? Thought on shocked and Getchel to reach the week is flying by. You won't feel it now. Nearly there. Nearly there. And you on Jehu Law to be Mehav Gavi Las Feha. Now, in ye Liom we read about Wimbledon, which is a Comórtas Ladoga, and Tour de France, which is Comórtas Rahiachta, and Kernan Down, which is Comórtas more soccer, agus na Cleachtadh Olympica. Okay, and it's na Cleachtadh Olympica Liom sport cosúil le Cleachtadh, which is athletics, Snáv, Darnálaíocht, which is boxing, Rábhaíocht, which is rowing, Seoltóirt, which is sailing, remember Annalise Murphy, agus Marciacht Capel. Freshen Glaciocht, which is gymnastics, and Shot-E, there is Simone Biles. Now, in you, Lanamid Arai, Gigi Lahanach, Cade, Fihe Shea, and we have a Comhrá and Shot. Before we start the Comhrá, these are just a few phrases we need to watch out for. So, first, An Waka Tuan, Am Shikacha Brihurna Brilta. Did you see? An Waka Tuan. So, and then on something La Canish Avian. Now, Cleachtadh Nahairn, or Cleachtadh is the final. Cleachtadh Nahairn is the All Ireland final. But on La Canish, what's La? La is half or semi, so it's the semi-final. Okay. Next one, An Rao Ambua Egg. We know that Wooey is to win, so An Rao Ambua Egg, basically, did they win? An Rao is Amtrikacha. The Ni Rao Ambua Egg. Yes or no, they did not win. Next one, One Paul or one Sean or one Sheila on Cade Och. That's how you say they got first place. One Sheed Cade on Cade Och. And then you could also have one She on Dara Hodge, no on Triu Hodge. Second place, no on Triu Hodge. Remember yesterday, and yeah, so Ma Creekney and 2 or Ma 1-2 on Cade Och, 4-2 or 5-2 Bown or you get a gold medal. For Dara Och you get Bown Arrogate silver medal, and Trio Och is Bown Cre Ua, which is bronze medal. Then is something Intuk ARE, so Intuk is excellent. If you see Gahintuk on your work, Tom Sausta, I'm happy. You should be too. On Will Chance Egg, has somebody got a chance to Cleachtadh Canish in the final? On Will Chance Egg. And then do you see all these little speech bubbles here, the 5 of them, okay? These are just kind of, if you're having a conversation. Gone doubt, without doubt. Chance, ma, good chance. Beiger, maybe, that's always a useful one in Gaeilge. Beiger, always useful. Istocha, I suppose. Biogan chance means fat chance or little chance. Hardly any chance at all. Now, Fakegi Erna Busky Bonjarg, pink boxes. We have Ross, Clea, Lado, we know what all these are. Ammoniacht, Comogiocht, Pell, Rugby, Soccer, Kishfel, we know what all these are. Comórtas Kjol, so that's a music competition. Agus Show Talana. Now, unfortunately for us, being in Show Talana and being shot, there's no talent show, but I suppose you had 7 good years of it. Okay, so no talent show this year, but you have shown your talents throughout your life in Korea, so you'll have loads more opportunities in secondary school anyway. Okay, and then Fakegi and a Busky Arashta. We have, these are all animal nouns. Rahi, which is a runner, Marhampla Usain Bolt. Rahi, which is a cyclist, Marhampla Chris Froome, no Sean Kelly we read about yesterday. Snavi, which is a swimmer, Cosula Michael Phelps. Pelador, we know loads of Pelador. Lou Classy. How do Lou Classy? Well, if Lou Classy is athletics, what do you think Lou Classy is? Yeah, athlete. Imror, which is a player. Fuirin, team. Ashtor, actor. Kjoltor, musician. Arani, singer. Agus Sheintor. What do you think the difference between a Kjoltor and Arani and a Sheintor are? Not a lot really. Kjoltor is a musician. Arani is a singer, and Sheintor is, I suppose, a musician as well who plays an instrument. Okay, and once you've read, now listen good and carefully here. Turn your tablets or phones or laptops up to the top, because the sound isn't amazing on this. So just listen good and well, and hopefully it will work out. Alright, so who have we got here? We've got Dahi Agus Shawnee. Let's see what they have to say.
Hiya, Sean. I'm talking to you on Ross.
Did you see the Ross Array? Did you see it last night on Ross?
Kane Ross.
What race?
Sean. We Sarah ní Canada Gris Ross Carcade Mater Grave on Darren.
Shawnee! The Sarah ní Canada, Sarah Kennedy, Egre, Sa Ross Carcade Mater, 400 metres, I grave an down World Championships. So Sarah Canadian, she's obviously Éireannach or Os Éireann. She's obviously an Irish girl.
An Ross Lachanish of the
Semi-final, Lachanish.
Oh, rinne me Dermot air. Bhí me ag clochta mo hair hickena.
Oh, rinne me Dermot there, I forgot it. Bhí me ag Cleachtadh. Remember Cleachtadh Dhéanann Máistreacht? He was practicing my hair kicking. Go man, Shawnee. What do you think Sarah kicking are? Yeah, Sarah is free. Kicking kicks. Free kicks. Man, Shawnee. Practicing free kicks. Is that Sean? Yeah, it is.
Tus agus de chud pella.
Are you in your football? Tus agus the chuid pella.
Eist. Clochta a Dhéanann Máistreacht.
Listen to me, says Shawnee. Cleachtadh Dhéanann Máistreacht. Practice makes perfect.
Éadnos.
Anyway.
An ra an bua eki.
Did she win?
Von she on Dara Hart.
Second place.
Ross den Scoha Viarn. Vi me kippy any.
Ross Jen Scott. I might write in your work Obergen Scott. Jen Scott means best. So Ross Jen Scott Avion, it was the best race. Vime Kipini. I was in bits. I was, oh my god, so nervous. Nervishok agus sketchmini. Excited agus nervous ag fake and Sharon Ross. You know that feeling, guys, when you're watching, I don't know, Ireland rugby or your favourite football team or Mayo trying to win in All Ireland or Man United in the Champions League final. You're always nervous, wanting them to win, hoping that they win, hoping nothing goes wrong. So Liom Kipini, he was in bits.
Tasula gum game an bua eki sa Ross Canish.
So he's looking ahead. I hope Tasulagam Gamayan Bua Eki that she wins sa Cleachtadh Canish in the final.
An mo chance eki, mas too.
Any chance, do you think?
Chance ma.
Great chance.
Right into
She's a brilliant runner.
God doubt.
Without doubt.
Big fergen there on our show.
Watch it now, will you, this
I
time?
share shul and more girl hop.
Baishe, Amshire Austinach. It will be going on. Baishe Ershul and Marok Erahut. So he's looking forward to he Usajin She and Amshire Austinach.
Cleachtadh Jarfa.
Definitely, 100%.
Tame Tanule.
I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait. Tame Igtanulesh. Now I'm going to play that once more, guys, without me interrupting, but you should have a good idea of Nafakalags and Nafrazi now. Okay, so let's see if we can. They're down mute. They've said enough. They want Lehan to see as well. They want their holidays. Shawnee Agus Dahir going on strike. No more Irish, Mr. Ranson. We want to go home.
Hiya, Sean. I'm fucking to on Ross rare.
Cain Ross.
Ah, Sean. Vi Sarah ni Canada Gris Ross Carricade Mater Grave on Darren. On Ross Lachanish of the Iron.
Oh, rinne me Dermot air. Bhí me ag clochta mo hair hickena.
Tus agus de chud pella.
Eist. Clochta a Dhéanann Máistreacht.
Practice makes perfect.
Éadnos. An ra an bua eki.
Von she on Dara Hart. Ross den Scoha Viarn. Vi me kippy any.
Tasula gum game an bua eki sa Ross Canish. An mo chance eki, mas too.
Chance ma is right into he.
God doubt.
Big fergen there on our show. I share shul and more girl hop.
Cleachtadh Jarfa. Tame Tanule.
So Shawnee's looking forward to it. Tomage, we are Ictnu Lesh Nalehan to Sira. We're looking forward to the holidays. Tomage Ictnu Lesh and Sour. We're looking forward to the summer. Tomage Ictnu Lesh on Nullag. I'm looking forward to the Christmas. I am looking forward to. Now guys, so what I want you to do today, I'm not going to be as generous as yesterday when I gave you the day off for written work, okay? I won't be too bad either though, okay? Lana Cade Fihished, Bun and Lachnak at the bottom of that page, okay? We all have these different phrases or words, Fakal. Rahi, which is a runner, Imror, which is a player, Pelador, which is a footballer, Kjolthor, musician, Ashtor, actor, Ruhi, cyclist. We just need to fill in, okay? And I just want you writing, you know, I don't want you writing the two lines, just the line where, with the answer on it. So Ibrahim, Juan She an Cade Arch the Tour de France. He came first to Tour de France. So what would you say? Is something intoke. So that's all I want you to write. Is something intoke for each of them. I don't want you writing all day either, okay? Iverdon, if you look at the picture, you'll get a pretty good idea what they're on about. Vime, I was Ega Kjolker, I'm at a concert Egan Jura Shatne. Is something intok e. She's what? Something excellent. What is she? She's an excellent what? Iver 3. An Wakatu. Did you see on Cleachtadh Canish Pella? Did you see the football final? Jim or Sean Gama. Shawnee played well. Gaman Shawnee. Is something intach é. So what would he be? Yeah, agus iver cahar. Wooey ban as Maracha an Comórtas Ladoga. So Wooey ban as Maracha, an American woman. Wooey she an Comórtas Ladoga. She won the tennis tournament. Is something intach e. So what is she? And you need to fill in both what she is and the intach. Is even lum Anna White the scanon Squel Rock is roll. I love Anna White in the movie Rock and Roll School, or what's it called? High School Musical? School of Rock, is that it? Is something e. Okay, so to get the picture, guys, give it a go, 1 to 6, so you should have 6 answers, full sentences. When I mean full sentences, I don't mean you need to write the 2 parts, just write the 1 full sentence part with the answer. Okay, Sinead for today, Banigi, Tatnavas, and Pisa, Shaw, August. Any questions, any questions for Kesh or class dojo, no, show refreshed whom, send me an email. Okay, Germagiv, Slán.